Hello, algebra students. This is our first week of school, and we have a lot of information to go over. Make sure you go through the welcome folder and everything that's in there to learn about all the policies, procedures, how you access things in Schoology, and how you can submit your work. So something I want to point out is that when you submit your homework, you need to put it in Schoology. You need to enter the answers into what looks like an assessment or test. And then you also need to take a picture of your work and upload that. Now, sometimes it's appropriate to show your work in the workbook, but I gotta say that most of the time it's going to be more appropriate to show your work in the notebook. That way you can show all your work out. So what would be the difference? If there's a graph in the workbook, there's no point in recreating the graph. You could just use your workbook. But otherwise, if you have something like an equation that you're solving, it should be in your lined notebook. Make sure you put your name, date, and period on the top right corner before you scan it. That way I can see whose it is. So this week, after you go through all the stuff on Monday, Tuesday, we're going to review information on integers, how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide. Wednesday will be add, subtract, multiply, and divide fractions and mixed numbers. And then Thursday, Friday, we're going to get into the heart of, or beginning the algebra curriculum with variables and expressions and orders of operations. So this week, although it is mostly review, very important because this will be your foundation to have a successful year. Have a great week.